Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, XRP's bull flag targets $15. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right now, as y'all know, we are watching XRP trending between that $2.35 and that $2.25 range. And don't kid yourself, all the fuzzers have taken every opportunity they can possibly take in order to just jump all over it. I was reading a comment in a video that I did the other night, and the guy was saying, oh, well, XRP can't even get above $3. I had to actually laugh because, listen, just before election, we were down there around that 52-cent range, and now we've seen a 400 to 500% pump, and we have been consolidating between that $2 and $2.50 range. And guys, I'll tell you what, that's normal market behavior. Don't let somebody else come out there. And what made me laugh about that is when we were back over there at that 40-50 cent range, consolidating in there, well, all the fuzzers had to say then was, well, we can't even get above $1. Then we smash through $1, smash through $2, and they're right back to their old tactics. It absolutely makes me laugh. But guys, I'll tell you what, is there a lot of sentiment building in this space? And don't kid yourself, things are going to change. Now, guys, just check this article out right over here. Ripple's XRP bull flag sets price target above $15 as Trump's crypto euphoria boosts XRP inflows. Just listen to this right here. Recent XRP activity has spiked just in the last 48 hours right there, guys, springing up bull signs in the market. On-chain indicators point to surging inflows while other assets pick up the pace. Institutional trading, right there, guys, institutional trading. Retail is not moving this market. So all these guys that are out there trying to FUD you and I out of our positions, and when you see that in the comments and this and that, remember guys, it is not retail. It is not you and I that are really moving this market. It is institutional traders. So don't let them shake you out right there. Is pivotal for the altcoin with large activities leading to a positive market flow. A look at trading data shows that XRP's price action formed a bull flag signaling a continuation of present positive sentiments. Crypto traders have projected the asset price to hit $15 with support from open interest numbers. Trading volumes from all user categories have also notched a rise in the total numbers. In the last 30 days, a bull chart formed close to the upper level at that $2.41 range. According to the analysts, this marks a massive upward momentum, which could lead to an imminent, by the way, breakout. The price target of $15 means the current position will soar 520%. Well, guys, we already did a 500+% move from election day until it hit that $2.90 and just retraced to tag that prior resistance as support. So when you're thinking about a $15 price tag for XRP, 520% is really not that hard to imagine. Think about this. In the last bull cycle, where 2020 to 2021, XRP, after the lawsuit was dropped, imagine in December of 2020. Now, I was buying XRP before that happened, and the price of it literally tanked. It tanked to 17.48 cents. And 4 months later, $1.97, a 1,200% move. So don't think that this number is so far out of reach that we could not see it. And by the way, before we get to the end of this month, that's what some of these analysts are calling for now. XRP bulls accumulate assets based on positive U.S. macro factors and slight flows away from Bitcoin. Donald Trump's second term has led to a market sentiment spiking XRP inflows as buying pressure mounts. The asset flipped USDT to become the third largest asset by market cap for the second time in a month. XRP's total market capitalization soared above 140 billion before recording a slight decline. Now, guys, to give you perspective of a market cap of 140 billion, do you realize that's greater than the market cap of Nike, of Starbucks, of some major players in the trading space? And the market cap of XRP is exceeding those by a lot, by billions, in fact. Now, notably, the company faced a Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit, which we all know, that saw sentiments weaken. Now, turbulent regulatory waters placed the asset under the dollar level for years. Yep. What an opportunity that was to accumulate, at least in my opinion, before the present rally above $2. The continued spike has led analysts to make bullish projections based on other technical indicators. Most bullish scenario for the RSI curvature to continue trending upward, ideally reaching 88 and even better, 96.5 and beyond, bounce from 74, XRP bounces from the 74 range, it will be incredibly bullish. Potential dip, a dip to 70 would indicate bearish momentum, but a bounce from it is essential for continuing the bull run, and that is coming from eGrag Crypto on X. Now, a recent surge led to similar performance on the institutional front. In the first week of 2025, get this, the asset picked up 5.7 million in inflows in institutional funds, while other altcoins struggled. This comes on the heel of the last year's performance, sparking talks of an imminent altcoin season. With outflows from Bitcoin, that means Bitcoin dominance is actually losing ground. Slight gains from other altcoins could change the dynamic. XRP's good run can be linked to the optimism, of course, of a spot ETF approval in the United States. And of course, there are a whole lot of other fundamentals there. And one has got to be that by the 20th of this month, Gary Gensler is out of there and Paul Atkins is in there for the SEC chair, and with a pro-crypto and XRP loving administration coming in. And guys, that is going to be amazing. Now, something else that has recently been happening, and we've been talking about it on this channel, but I want to point this out right here. And this is in this article, it's talking about USDT losing ground and the EU's MiCA rules and the rise of USDC and, of course, RLUSD. Listen to this right here. Is the EU's MiCA framework forcing investors to rethink their allegiance to Tether's USDT and explore alternatives like Circle's USDC and, of course, Ripple's RLUSD? For years, Tether's USDT has been the go-to stablecoin for traders and investors. Yet, as we step into 2025, its dominance is starting to waver, particularly, guys, in the European Union, where mounting regulatory scrutiny and growing competition are challenging its unshakable reputation. The turning point came on December 30th of 2024 when the full implementation of the European Union's markets in crypto asset regulations, that's MiCA right there, designed to bring order to the unpredictable crypto market. MiCA has imposed stringent compliance requirements on stablecoin issuers, including, get this, a mandate for major players like Tether to hold 60% of their reserves in EU banks, which of course they can't do, along with a lot of other auditing requirements. Now, as these regulations take effect, Tether is grappling with a wave of redemptions, new regulatory hurdles, and intensifying competition from rivals, of course, like USDC and RLUSD. In the past, Tether's CEO, Paolo Ardino, raised concerns over the risks of bank failures, arguing that such requirements could expose stablecoin issuers to systematic vulnerabilities rather than reducing them. But the market seems less concerned, by the way, with Tether's reasoning and more with its actions or lack thereof. In the days leading up to MiCA's implementation, nearly $4 billion worth of USDT was redeemed, marking the largest outflow since the 2022 crypto winter. Back then, scandals like the collapse of FTX and revelations of fraud across the industry sent shockwaves through crypto, shrinking USDT's market cap from 83 billion in May to 65 billion by November, a 21% drop, and it actually lost the peg, guys. The recent decline, while smaller, carries deeper implications. As of January 9th, Tether's market cap stands at 137.5 billion, down from, get this, 141 billion just 2 weeks earlier. Well, where do you think that variance went, guys? Well, we know where it's going, and eventually it's going to go. RLUSD is rapidly gaining momentum, and could this be the beginning of a sharp decline for the world's largest stablecoin? Well, guys, I'll tell you what. From my estimation, a lot of people have been saying, hey, we could see a Tether crash. I don't think we'll see a Tether crash. What I do believe is we are going to see the slow ebbing away of Tether's market cap and a rising phoenix in RLUSD that is going to gobble it up like no tomorrow. And we could be literally seeing the last days of Tether. You know what it reminds me? It reminds me when we were transitioning from digital video media, right, with Blockbuster with analog video with, VCRs, VHS, DVDs, and all that into online streaming platforms like Netflix. Now, Blockbuster had the opportunity to go out there and buy Netflix. And there used to be a Blockbuster practically on every single block in the United States. I mean, it was a behemoth. Guys, they did not keep up with regulation. They did not keep up with the market. They did not keep up with time. And you know what? Bang, they went the way of the dinosaur. And guys, we could literally be watching that with USDT because these guys have had a heap of issues. And Brad Garlinghouse has pointed them out on a number of occasions. And I think that is where they saw this opportunity and a niche to go out there. And they developed RLUSD to directly compete with Tether. And boy, do I ever believe they're going to gobble up this market share right here in a big way. Now, check this article out over here. XRP's price preps for powerful move above $2.90 in the short term, guys, as sentiment metrics signal optimism. Now listen to this here. XRP has followed the broader crypto market trend by selling off sharply, but the altcoin still holds the bulk of its 300% gains. In fact, it was more than that, but guys, it is showing some strength against most of the other assets in this space, which it accumulated in the last part of 2024. The altcoin managed to avoid a deeper correction between January 7th and January 9th as it continues to consolidate near its descending trend line, eyeing a potential breakout above the key resistant range between the $2 and $2.50 and $2.60 range. While majors like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana have threaded to previous swing lows over the past 24 hours, XRP fought to hold a position above $2.30. Which is the point of control for the altcoin since it breached $2 on December 1st. A position above point of control implies that bulls remain in control of overall price action. Guys, we are seeing big deals now. Valeria, a crypto and Forex trader, said that the XRP price is currently in a key decision-making zone. The trader explained that the altcoin's upward rejection or bounce from the $2.15 to the $2.20 levels indicates the intentions of major players, the trader added. If the support zone resists, aggressive growth is expected with the nearest target of $2.91, where the liquidity of sellers is concentrated. And guys, they can see the sell and the buy walls. But if we can get there, we have the potential to blow through this number right here. And literally, we could be seeing a brand new all-time high in short order for XRP. Now, additionally, Valeria mentioned that traders should closely monitor XRP's price action as the asset is preparing for a powerful movement. Now, likewise, Dan Crypto, a crypto analyst, said the altcoin pair can be great to trade as XRP has historically respected most of its technical levels. The trader highlighted the formation of a triangle pennant formation on XRP's 4-hour chart, suggesting that these types of patterns have a higher probability of breaking upward during bull markets. Now, besides a favorable market structure, XRP's ecosystem has also witnessed a series of positive events that could lure in speculators. Ripple's president recently stated an XRP spot ETF approval could be coming up very soon. Not just the request to have it, but the approval of it, guys. We know there's about 5 or 6 of these big time companies that have actually applied for spot ETFs for XRP. Meanwhile, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently shared an image with President-elect Donald Trump, which stirred the likelihood of an XRP rally after Trump's inauguration on January 20th. These factors have improved the crowd sentiment for XRP as data from Sentiment highlighted a rise in positive sentiment score. It is important to note that the index was much higher during the end of November, but is currently improving again. Guys, we are literally watching this right here now. From a technical perspective, XRP has converged within the trend lines over the past few weeks, with the price maintaining a position above the 200-day EMA with a potential breakout above the descending trend line. The altcoin will likely attempt to clear liquidity levels around 242 and 250, which may fuel a rally towards a new all-time high above that $2.90. Just like we were saying, guys, we are really seeing some big time moves happening in XRP. And do I ever believe that XRP has the potential for sure to literally get out there and hit above $15? For me, guys, I've been here before. I've watched this thing move well above 1,200%, been there to see it. So for me to see a 520% move in XRP is well within the realms of big time possibility. But guys, I can share my convictions with you. I can't give you the confidence that goes with it. This is where you need to get out there, really peel back this onion for yourself. And like I love to say, I want to see you right there in the winner's circle, standing right beside us when we cross that finish line. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.